The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Welcome, my people. Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Once you see me, you know see me I saw sitting for telling you. You see? Alright, so my people, me see a video that shows a fruit and a tree. And the fruit seems as if the fruit shaped out like a face. Yeah, and a whole heap of people around the tree are the fruit and so forth. So me now more I take a look at this video and tell me the name of that fruit or the name of the tree where the fruit the on. You see me I say? Yeah, take a look at this video with me for a little. Observe with me. Loud. Nice loud, man. So, what kind of fruit I think that fruit to be? And what do you think about that fruit looking that way? Yeah, the fruit look like it's shaped like a face, right? But I want to know this, you know. You have some little plastic things where you have some farmers, you know, put around the fruit while the fruit are grow and the fruit will grow and shape a certain way. So, I don't know, maybe that happen, I'm not sure. You see me? But just point out that too, no? You understand, my people? Anyways, on a serious topic now, viewers and subscribers, I saw an edited video that shows when someone throws something on an ATM machine and set the ATM machine on fire. Yes, my people. I saw an edited video that shows when someone throws some form of substance. I'm not sure if it is some form of gas or liquid or what. I'm not sure. But the person throws something on the ATM machine and set the ATM machine on fire. See? That's what I saw in the edited video. See? And the ATM machine that I can see in the edited video has the JMMB logo on it now, viewers and subscribers. However, I don't know exactly where and when the video will be recorded. But for you to get a better understanding, I'm going to present the edited video to you that I saw. And I want to please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Take a look. Observe. Just so I go on this, there's something that the person throw up on the thing, you know. It look like the person try to light whatsoever the person throw up on the thing. That's so a while ago, it never work, you know. You see it? Looks so, it looks so. See there? That's how it catch a fire. And this show what happen after the thing get burned. So that's what I talk about, people. You see what I talk about? Me no understand why would someone do something like that? Why? Anyways, my people, a man who goes by the name of ZJ Bruce Lee on social media posted a video on social media, and in that video he said some things that gave me the understanding that he blamed the hospital for the death of his wife. Yeah, based on some things that he said in the video, I got the understanding that his wife passed away and he blamed a hospital for the death of his wife. But people, I'm going to present that video to you that I saw so that you can hear the things that he said for yourself. You see me? And I want you to brace yourself because in the video, the man was speaking about the situation in such sad way. And it's totally understandable, my viewers and subscribers. I mean, when you lose a loved one, Trust me. See me I say? Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
The hospital killed my wife. They killed her. They killed her because of their negligence. They killed my wife. I'm not gonna forget this ever. Ever. God damn, they killed my wife. How am I gonna tell my daughter?
It's really sad, my people. You know, it really sad. It really sad. You see me I say? Alright, condolences to ZJ brucelee. You know, condolences. Alright, now my people, I want to take a look at this video that shows a train that runs within the country of Jamaica. A train that is said to be a passenger train. Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Brother, what's the SC man?
Yeah, man.
We need that, Brian.
Amen.
Amen. Now this is like a trouble party now.
This is not trouble. Passenger train.
Passenger train.
Yeah. Train I run, man.
Passenger train, my people.
Don't even active.
Yeah, man.
Train I run.
Yeah, big man. Now we talk about one stone. Now come back here now. Take it.
Eat that truck, sir.
Yeah, straight. I can't find it now.
Me never ride on a train yet, you know, viewers and subscribers. No, may I be honest, I've never put my foot, my feet, nothing. I'm not even sure if me ever touched a train before. Not even a wrecked train. I'm not even sure. I've never. It would be a good experience for me to ride on a train. I never ride on a train before. Yeah, man, I tell you the honest truth. You see, yeah, man, passenger train in Jamaica. That's exciting to me. I don't know about nobody else. You see me, I say, yes, I. Anyways, I have one more video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, this video is going to show at least two persons trying to help a person who was intoxicated or drunk in the back of a motor vehicle, so that they could take that person to a certain location. I'm not even sure if they were trying to take that person home or what, you see me I say. But the video shows at least two persons working together in order to get the person in the back of a motor vehicle, so that they can take the person somewhere. The person was drunk, like really drunk. That's why they must try to put the person in the back of the motor vehicle with people. You see, more one, each and every one out there. You see, I said this in quite a number of videos before. If you're going to drink, drink responsibly. You see me? Don't overdo it. You have a thing that is known as alcohol poisoning. Drinking a whole lot of alcohol is bad for your health, you know. Yeah, some people might say drinking bad for your health. No. Drinking a whole lot of alcohol is bad for your health. It can damage parts inside of you, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So, me not go tell a man say them can't drink, but just drink responsibly, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's a video. Observe.
When your mom told you stay home,
Brother, you have to clean up.
Yo, hey, from me.
You have to give me time for laugh, brother, because I have to be careful. Yo, that's some weird to the blood clot, you know, brother.
Junking, you know.
Remember dead blood clot body that, you know. I just see brain alive, you know. Yeah, man, alcohol knock out the whole body, brother, man.
Junking, man.
Yeah, man, I just to lick him out with the iron and him good, you know.
Just you know the
Yo,
party,
you just want to have good sleep.
Good sleep.
Yo.
Right now, I might get some good sleep in my area.
If by the time you reach out, you must wake up.
You must wake up, dad.
Let me start there, I'm happy with you.
Yeah, they open up the door.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so now, jump.
Bumbo clad, dog. What a way we start the year. Hey, boy.
Or like a jump.
I'm not gonna pretend as if me is that innocent, you know. I myself made a mistake one time when me get really and truly intoxicated. As a grown man, not an underage person. See me I say, I tell you it wasn't a nice feeling. You see me I say? Yeah, man. No, me I be real and be honest with you. See? So that's why me can look and tell each and every one say, being drunk, not pretty. I'm one each and every one say, if you're going to drink alcohol, make sure say you're over the age where you're supposed to be. Yeah, don't drink if you're underage. Don't drink alcohol if you're underage. You understand? And as an adult, if you're going to drink, you drink responsibly. You understand? Yeah. Anyways, I guess I'm going to leave it now. Big up and respect to each and every one. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm going to big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, me now. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.